The SlingPAK TraumaPAK, a combination of a triage bag and treatment bag for multi-casualty patients all in one. The front is designed to carry 6 tourniquets and to have your trauma shears and glow sticks readily available and removable as needed. The side is open for your accessories, and the back has a compartment for a rescue litter or triage tags. 3 large handles that you can carry in any configuration, and there is an extra buckle that allows you to keep the sling in place when not in use. The quick access and opening of this bag is what makes it so versatile. We have multiple configurations of items that you can choose from on our site, and all the pouches are removable and reconfigurable to your liking. The unique part is also how fast you can close this bag and move between casualties. And the bag has a feature of triage that it's unlike any other bag. This is the SlingPAK TraumaPAK. Thanks for your support. Let us know how we can help.